Welcome to this charming detached townhome with yard space in New Prague. Grow a garden, play with the kids or pets, host parties, or simply relax and enjoy your yard. Fabulous opportunity for first-time home buyers or investors because rentals are allowed, or just those looking for low maintenance. Cozy place to call home. Built in 2000, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home features a practical layout with a partially finished basement, including an egress window and plumbed in for a bathroom. Ready for you to create a guest suite, home office, extra living space, whatever your heart desires. Enjoy effortless living with an attached 1-car garage and low association fees, making this an affordable, hassle-free choice. Located close to schools, parks, shopping, dining, and recreational activities, a wonderful opportunity to own an affordable home in New Prague.